Hey guys, it's Logan from the United States. I was kind of interested in getting a hair transplant, and I found Hair Center Turkey on Instagram. So when I arrived to Istanbul, they picked me up from the airport, took me to the 5-star hotel. Everything was super streamlined. I got that night to rest. So when I got to the clinic, I got to meet all the doctors, took a couple blood tests. Everyone was very friendly, kind, and then after that we went to the design room and I got to work with people to design basically my perfect hairline. I obviously went for like a more natural look. So after hair design, they basically took me to the surgery room, and I was kind of nervous about the pain, but they did, painless sedation. Honestly, couldn't feel a thing, which is so great. And then we went into surgery. It took a while, but it was completely worth it. I mean, they worked so diligently to do such an amazing job. Obviously, the results speak for themselves. So this is my last day in Istanbul. We just got finished with the washing. Everything looks amazing. Hairline looks super strong, super clean. Great last day. Obviously, one of the things maybe I should have done, followed the follow-up procedures a little bit better. Kind of got a little swollen, but should go away in 2 to 3 days. Thank you so much, Hair Center Turkey, the whole staff, whole team. An amazing experience. Can't recommend it enough to anyone thinking about getting a hair transplant. Teşekkürler.